Hi guys, it's Miss DeLitto. Today we're going to take a look at modeling the distributive property and how we can use these models to help us simplify these expressions. The first expression we're going to look at is 2 times the quantity of x plus 1, or 2 times the sum of x plus 1. What this expression really means is that I'm going to find the sum of x plus 1 twice. We're going to represent this using both algebra tiles and repeated addition. So let's take a look at how that's going to look with our algebra tiles. So order of operations indicate that we need to do whatever's inside the parentheses first. So I'm going to model x plus 1 using the algebra tiles. And since I know that I'm going to do this 2 times, I'm going to add another x plus 1. In terms of repeated addition, what I just did was I took x plus 1 and added another x plus 1. At this point, we know we can simplify by combining any like terms. So we know these rods are like terms and these little squares are like terms. We can do the same thing in our expression. So we know x and x are like terms, and 1 are also like terms. When I simplify, I have 2x and positive 2, or plus 2. And when I simplify the expression, I have 2x plus 2. So same simplified expression, 2 different methods to get there. Let's take a look at another example. We'll do 2 times the quantity of x squared plus 2x minus 1. When we look at this again, we know that we're going to have to do whatever's inside the parentheses first and then multiply by 2. So in this case, I have x squared plus 2x minus 1. And because I'm multiplying this by 2, I have to do that 2 times. So x squared plus 2x minus 1. We're going to do the same thing we did with the first example and write exactly what we did as an expression. So we have x squared plus 2x minus 1. And we added, I'm going to carry this on down here, another x squared plus 2x minus 1. When we combine, we know now we have 2x squared. We're adding 4 x's. And we have 2 negatives, or we're taking away 2. We can do something similar when we look at our expression. So we're going to find our x squared and combine it with our other x squared to get 2x squared. 2x combines with our other 2x to get 4x. And negative 1 combined with negative 1 is negative 2. One more example. Negative 2 times the quantity of 2x plus 2. In this example, we still know we're going to have to show whatever's in those parentheses first. So I'm going to start with 2x plus 2. And now we have to think. We know we can't do something negative 2 times. So instead of thinking of this as a negative, we want to think of it as the opposite of. So we want to think of this as the opposite of 2 times the quantity of 2x plus 2. So we're going to start by showing the quantity of 2x plus 2 times. But remember that now we want to do the opposite of 2 times 2x, the quantity of 2x plus 2. To show the opposite, I'm simply going to flip these to the opposite sides. So you can see I now have negative 4x and minus 4. If you would like to look at this in terms of an repeated addition expression, we know that we have 2x plus 2 we're adding another 2x plus 2. But now we know we need the opposite of 2 times the quantity of 2x plus 2. So we need to do the opposite. The opposite of 2x is negative 2x. The opposite of adding 2 is subtracting 2. Again, the opposite of 2x is subtracting and subtracting. So now I've taken the opposite sign for each of these terms, and I can go about combining my like terms to simplify. Negative 2x combines with negative 2x for negative 4x, and negative 2 combines with negative 2 for negative 4. I'm sure at this point many of you are starting to notice some patterns and are thinking about some shortcuts that we can use to solve and simplify problems just like this going forward, and we will explore some of that tomorrow. Hopefully this helps. Have a great night.